Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example on circles. The number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.7 meter in rolling a distance of 176 meters is. So these are the four options given. So one is the right answer out of these four. So here they have given that there is a circular wheel. So let us draw it over here. So for example, this is a circular wheel. Let us take this as the center of the circle and take this as the radius, and the radius of the wheel is given as 0.7 meters. Now we have to find out how many times this wheel is going to revolve in rolling a distance of 176 meters. So since the outer part of the circle is rotating, we are going to take the circumference of the circle, and when it revolves one time, it completes one rotation or one revolution, and when it completes one revolution, that is going to give us the circumference of the circle. So we can write one revolution as 2 pi r, because the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So when one revolution is made, it equals the circumference 2 pi r. Now we have to find out how many number of revolutions have been made when it travels a distance of 176 meters. So we can take the number of revolutions as x when it is traveling 176 meters. Over here we can go for the cross multiplication method. So here 176 multiplies with one revolution equals the total number of revolutions x multiplies with the circumference of the circle 2 pi r. Now r represents the radius of the circle and it has been given as 0.7 meters. So let us substitute over here. This is 176 times 1 gives us 176 is equal to, we do not know the number of revolutions, so let us keep it as x times 2 times pi times the radius was given as 0.7. Now let us make x as the subject, so let us keep it on one side, is equal to, this becomes 176 divided by 2 times pi times 0.7. So let us put it up in the calculator and check how much we get. So here it is 176 divided by 2 times pi times 0.7. So we get the answer as 40.016, or we can round it off as 40 revolutions. So we have the total number of revolutions as 40. So let us check the answers. So it is option D. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. So if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.